In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Roblox memory dump error for PC, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by finding your Roblox player and right-clicking it and going to Properties. Now it's going to open up this kind of window. You're going to go to Compatibility, click on Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then you're going to make sure that these two are checked. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. You're going to click on Apply and then click on OK. Now from there, you're going to click on your keyboard Windows key R, and you're going to type in % local app data %, and you're just going to click on OK. It's going to open this up, and what you're going to do is scroll all the way down to R, where you should find Roblox. You're going to right click it and actually delete it. Now once it's actually deleted, what this is going to do is erase all of the local files for Roblox, and the next time you open it up, it will reinstall all of those files correctly. So after you do that, you're just going to restart your computer and then open Roblox back up. Error should be fixed. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.